Hello, good afternoon, good evening, welcome aboard those recently joining us at London Waterloo. This is 1705 South Western Railway service down to Weymouth and Poole. Service now calls at Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, where the train will divide. The front 5 coaches will continue straight towards Bournemouth, then Branksome, Parkstone, Poole, Hamworthy, Holton, Heath, Wareham, Wall, Moreton, Dorchester, South Upway, and finally Weymouth, with a scheduled arrival time into Weymouth of 10 to 8 this evening. The rear 5 coaches will detach and then will continue to call at Totton, Ashurst, New Forest, Brockenhurst, Swade, New Milton, Hinton, Christchurch, Folkestone, Bournemouth, Branksome, Parkstone, finally Poole. However, if you are travelling to Bournemouth, Branksome, Parkstone or Poole, then I do recommend coming into the front 5 coaches, as this will be much quicker. Please note the front 5 coaches, once we have detached at Southampton Central, will be going straight to Bournemouth, no stops until Bournemouth. So if you do require Brockenhurst today, then you will need to be in the rear 5 coaches. My name's Kai, I'll be your guard to Bournemouth. If you do see or hear anything suspicious, then let myself know. Currently located in coach number 5 of this 10 carriage train. Safety information is also displayed in all coaches. Please familiarise yourselves with these. And if you do need any help or immediate assistance, then please all you need to do is ask. First stop on the journey this afternoon will be Basingstoke, due to Basingstoke, around 5:45 this evening.
Great.
Once again, I will complete a full ticket check, so if I could ask that you have any e-tickets downloaded, and any paper tickets on the table ready for inspection. Once again, please ensure that your advance ticket is 1705 unless I allowed you to join this train. If not, it will be a brand new ticket.
Maybe earlier? Yeah, it's already pulled out, yeah. So I got the one 5 minutes before, so I feel like first stop is Basingstoke, so actually might be quicker than yeah, but you said the first stop was Basingstoke.
Eu comprei uma pasta salada. Uma pasta salada. Não é mais. Que você mencionou ali, eu estava sempre falando. Muito suave. Eu não perdi nada. Só tô tremendo.
Hello. Yeah, so I think the one that I got on getting
Just push it down, so.